I'm gonna be eating something that you might not be familiar with. Can you guess what it is? It's Gopchang! I realize a lot of K-pop idols really enjoy eating this, like pasta from Mamamoo. And when you think of intestines, you're just like, ew, what? But I mean, after showing you these 3 delicious spots, you're gonna be mind blown. So let's go. You guys already know that Muldepo is one of my favorite K-BBQ spots in Koreatown. This time around, I want to check out their intestine combo with crack powder. Typically, I don't crave for Gopchang or daechang, but Muldepo has their secret way to make sure that their intestines don't smell by marinating in gold kiwi for 20 hours. Their beef intestine combo is for $79.99, and their crack powder really was something else. The powder consists of 16 different ingredients like chonma, garlic, white onions, sweet potatoes, and rock salt, and many more. It made the intestines give a lot more flavor, and the texture was super consistent. Also, make sure to ask for their special homemade hot sauce because it's better than any of LA's taco truck's hot sauces. Has been around for more than 10 years, and it's located on Olympic Boulevard near Vermont. This was my first time visiting the spot because it's not in the prime location on Wilshire or 6th where every other Korean barbecue joints are in KTOWN. However, when the servers brought out their Panchon, I immediately knew I was going to love this place. Panchon, also known as side dishes, Yangmani serves very authentic traditional side dishes where you can only see in Korea. This place specializes in intestines, so of course we ordered the combo 2, where you can get a little bit of everything from tukgyang, daechang, gopchang, and bakchang. The servers will come around to make sure everything is cooked to perfection. The texture of each of the different intestines were there. It was the perfect amount of chewiness, and once you dip them into the sauce that the servers recommended, I was completely in awe. I never knew that I would fall in love with intestines. Gopchang is another popular spot in Koreatown where people go for their intestines. I've been going to Pyeol for 3 years and I have enjoyed it every single time. They have a combo menu where you can try Gopchang, makchang, and daechang for $75. It can feed up to 2 to 3 people, and it comes with free soju. What's really special about Pyeol Gopchang is that when you order the soju, the servers bring hongcho, which is a fruity vinegar mix which helps with antioxidant and aging. They mix the hongcho along with the soju, and you can't taste the alcohol at all. You can be drinking all night if you can. Make sure to dip your daechang in the special sauce and it will completely blow your mind. bad, right? I mean, it took me a while to eat it as well, but now I am in complete love with it. Make sure you guys subscribe to Koogle TV and follow Cathy the Kimchi on Instagram, and see you guys next time!